chocolate cake mix in our pumpkin. This is the easiest way to make a delicious and easy pumpkin dessert. You will not find something easier and as creative. This is so easy and delicious. Put 2 boxes of our chocolate fudge cake mix in there. Just like that, all in there. Just some regular Duncan Hines chocolate. And now, simply add our pumpkin puree. Okay, I'm using the Libby's. You know, you can find this anywhere. And we're gonna add just, this is so simple because it's just 2 ingredients. 2 ingredients cake, okay? So easy, you cannot have it any easier. And we're gonna add 2 of this delicious pumpkin puree. There you go, all in there. And don't forget to scrape all this goodness, because this is for 1 box of cake, you want 1 can of the pumpkin puree. There you go, nice and all in there. Look at that, this is so easy and so incredible and so affordable, okay? Now let's start gently with your spatula here. Mix this all up. And this is gonna rise and be super incredible chocolatey pumpkin, and it's gonna be super moist because this will cook inside our pumpkin, okay? All right, now that this beautiful mixtures is nice, and you see how nice, thick, and delicious this looks, nice and chocolatey, make sure everything is nice and incorporated. And if you want, you can even scrape in a little bit of that pumpkin in there for an extra, you know, flavor and texture. There you go. Look at that. This is perfectly mixed. Boom, all in there. Now, make sure it's nice and leveled. And we are ready to bake this. We're gonna take our sheet tray, put it right here, put the lid back on. So this is gonna cook with a nice moisture. Okay, it's gonna be super tender and delicious. Put this in right exactly on where it was, just like that. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it a nice kiss. Mwah! And we bake this at 350 for 45-50 minutes, depending on your oven. And if you're a Halloween lover and a lazy cook, and you wanna make a super easy dessert with just these 2-3 ingredients, you have the perfect recipe, and you have so much fun if you do it with your kids. All right, I'll see you in 1 second, okay? Oh my goodness, look at this surprise here. Wow, this is looking perfect, incredible, super tasty, okay? I took this lid off about 15 minutes while it was cooking, okay? So all the moisture, now we can control it. Now, this is time to do your decoration. As you can see, I'm not a great artist on pumpkin decoration. I did my best, but you know, if you're good at that, it's time to do it. Now, let's open these up. Ooh, look at that cake. Look at that cake. Perfectly cooked. Okay, I trimmed the top a little bit because we need a flat surface. Because what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add our beautiful whipped cream cheese frosting. I have half of the container here, okay? We're gonna put this beauty right in there, just like that. Scrape it all off. There you go, just like that, boom. All in there. And now, take your knife, and simply, we're just gonna spread it, you know, just a one whole motion, you know, very easy, just like that, boom. There you go. It don't matter if it's not perfectly white, you'll see why in a second. Now that we got this in the center done, I put the other half in the sides in this piping bag, and we're gonna put this in the side, just like this. See, make some little dollops of this beautiful cream cheese, so it's nice and pretty. If you don't want, you just wanna make it normal, spread it all around, that's it, okay? Just do it like that, easy. Sometimes less is better, okay? I have a thing that I want to do always something super complicated, okay? But I have to remember that I'm here to make your guys' life easier. There you go, look at that. Boom, nice and pretty. And now to make this perfect, we have our spooky sprinkle mix. Yes, sir. If it's Halloween time, use this. If it's just fall, use the regular sprinkle for the fall. Put a little bit of the sprinkles in there. Look at that, super pretty. The black and then orange to resemble our beautiful cake that looks, you see how it looks nice? Orange and black, there you go. Not too much, not too much. I like a lot because we want a little bit of the crunch, you know? There you go. Now you can put this back on if you want and put it to the table, but I'm excited to show you how it is. So let's cut it right in here because it's about time for dessert. So, ooh. Oh yes, it's gonna be great. Look at that. Oh, nice and steamy, nice and steamy. So I think we should cut. How do we cut this? Let's cut a nice slice here. Wow, that's a big slice. There you go. Anyway, let me show you the center. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Nice and steamy. Wow, look at that. The cake is perfectly cooked. The pumpkin is perfectly cooked. You know, it's all nice and pretty. Now all the steam is melted everywhere. Now, gently, there you go. Take this beauty. We put it right here. Boom. There you go. Just like that. And it's time to try. You see? Nice, tasty, and wonderful. There you go. Let's try a nice slice. Boom. Perfect. I have here my spoon. Now, as you see that this is perfectly tender and moist. There you go. Look at that. Pumpkin pie. Yes, perfectly cooked. 1, 2, 3. It melts in your mouth. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's good. Okay, this is my first time doing this. I think I did a good job. You have to try this and you have to let me know this Halloween. This is incredible. Melts in your mouth. It tastes like pumpkin and chocolate. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Check this out. Look at that beauty. Look at this beauty. So easy. 2 ingredients. All right. 3 with the flowers, frosting, and sprinkles, but 2 ingredients cake. Pumpkin and chocolate cake. Let's go.